أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We are starting today our new lesson. Alhamdulillah, we completed this page, and we will explain today for you this page number 5 from the beginning. Like I was told you, some letters of alphabets of Arabic, uh, same letters but different shape. Okay, first is Noon Kha. Noon Kha. Next one Ya Ha. Ya Ha. Please repeat with me. Okay, Noon Kha. What is Noon? Pink is Noon and green is Kha, bold letter. Okay, and next one Ya. Okay, purple is Ya and black is Ha. Ya Ha. Next one Ba Jim. Ba Jim. Ba is purple and Jim is black. After that Ya. Have two dots bottom side. Ya. Purple Ya and black is Meme. Ya Meme. Next one Ba Meme. Ba purple, Meme black. Ba Meme. Next one Noon Meme. Purple Noon. Black Meme. Noon Meme. Next one Ta and Meme. Ta and Meme. Next one Tha Meme. Tha Meme. Tha is purple, like pink purple. Okay, and black is Meme. Ba Ya. Next one Ya Ya. Ba is purple and Ya is black. Without any dot Ya. I was told you this rule. And next one Ya have two dots and bottom side. Ya with two dots and sometimes coming Ya without any dot. Ya purple with two dots bottom side, and it's with dots Ya. Okay, and before this one it's without any dot Ya. Also this Ya and this one also Ya. Ba Ya and Ya Ya. Okay, you please read with me sometimes this, inshallah. After that we will touch to new lesson, inshallah. Next one, put your finger and please see, look on the lesson. Noon Ya. Noon have one dot on top and Ya is without any dot, black. Noon is purple, Ya is black. Noon Ya. Next one we have next letter Tha, purple, and Ya is black. Tha purple color and two dots on the top side, and Ya is without any dot, Ya. Okay, next one Tha Ya. Tha Ya. Tha is purple, three dots on top side, and Ya is without any dot, this Ya. Tha Ya. Tha Ya. Please repeat. Next one Noon Ba Lam. Noon Ba Lam. Noon is black first and second is Ba in purple color. Ba have one dot on bottom side and Lam is last letter. Noon Ba Lam. Noon Ba Lam. Okay. Next one Tha Noon Lam. Tha Noon Lam. Please next one Ba Ya Lam. I doing gap in my reading. You can repeat with me, follow me in this gap. Ba Ya Lam. Read with me. Next one Ya Ta Lam. ya, ta, lam. Next one, tha, kha, lam. Tha, tha, lam. Next one, noon, ba, noon. Noon, ba, noon. Next one, ba, noon, noon. Ba, noon, noon. Next one, tha, ya, noon. Tha, ya, noon. Next one, ya, tha, noon. Ya, ta, noon. Next one, kha, kha, noon. Tha, tha, noon. Next one, jim, ha. I hope you understand these letters. Alhamdulillah. If you not understand, if you have a question, then ask. Inshallah, I will explain for you again. I hope you will understand complete. Repeat this video sometimes. After that, inshallah, you will expert in this understanding. Okay, in next class, inshallah, we will read new lessons. I will create for you video lesson, inshallah. If you are busy, then I will create make for you video. You have any time in 24 hours, then open the video and repeat 5 to 10 minutes. Inshallah, you will expert. We will do our class in this style after today, and we will complete it root, its basics of alphabets of Arabic. Alhamdulillah, we as completed this alphabet, but now coming in different style, these alphabets. After that, inshallah, we will read inshallah science, and inshallah, Allah said in Quran, Allah, Islam is very easy. Quran reading is very easy. So inshallah, we will explain next lesson. Please read this video.